Good morning, YouTube. It's Lewis with Rosebud's Travels, and today I want to show you something, a repair to the water heater. We went to the Bluebonnet Festival, Bluebonnet Rally, and they have full hookup sites there, and we were hooked up. We had the water heater running on electric because we were plugged in. And about halfway through the rally, the hot water stopped working, and I went out here, tried to operate the switch, and it was frozen. And I did a little research, and apparently it's really common that these switches will go bad, and what they will do is they will freeze. And you can test a switch for resistance with a meter, and you can, if it's on, it'll have no resistance, and if it's off, it'll have a lot of resistance. And so I suspect it's actually the switch based on what I found out. So what I did is I bought a switch, and as you can see, it has a little ridge on the top, little ridge on the bottom. And basically what you have to do is get a little pick inside of here to be able to kind of depress and pull out the switch. And so I've got a few little picks on me. And what I'm going to try to do is take this switch out, plug the new one in, put it back in, and I think the water heater will then work on electric. After this happened, I immediately turned the gas water heater switch on inside the trailer, and we had hot water for the rest of the trip. But now I'm going to repair it so we have both, because we're going on this summer trip and I want both of them to work. So that's what I'm attempting to do here. I hope the video is in a good place where you can see what I'm doing. The switch is down here, and I'm going to attempt to pull the switch out. Oh, and the other thing, unplug your trailer. You don't want any 110 power coming to the trailer at all. So I have it completely unplugged. And I've got my pick. Here, I got the top loose. I got the bottom loose, I believe. Switch is definitely frozen. Now I need to get the other wire. Okay, I got the other wire out. So I'm going to plug the bottom one in. And I got to plug the top one in. There we go. It's a little tricky to get in there. You have to angle it because those connectors are at 90 degrees and the one kept wanting to come out. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the power and we're going to see if that will run. Hopefully it'll run on this 20 amp circuit. We will see. Okay, I plugged it in. Looks like the switch is working, so we should be getting hot water. So I will check it here in a bit. Okay, I've let the hot water heater heat up a little bit, and on electric power, turning it on, it is hot. So we have electric hot water again. So I fixed it by replacing that switch. The gas part works. I know that works because it worked when we were camping. So replacing that switch was the fix. And the switch is like $6 and something on Amazon. I'll put a link to the switch in the description of the video. So if any of you ever have that problem where your water heater on electric goes out and the switch freezes where it doesn't work, it basically loses its switching ability. Usually the answer is replacing the switch. So there you go. I'll like I said, I'll put a link with the model and everything, the exact one I bought on Amazon. And the model number is on your water heater. On the inside there's a little label and you can find the model number. And there you go. That's what I wanted to show you, how to repair your water heater on electric when that particular thing happens. I'll see you in the next video.